Hi everyone, let's make an easy dinner. Subscribe for more easy meal ideas. I'm using these 3 about 1-inch thick pork chops. They are boneless. And this smokehouse mesquite marinade. Just pour it in a Ziploc bag. This is the easiest way I found. And then you just mix it all up so the pork chops are all evenly combined. Now just stick it in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes, but longer if you want. Now I just wanted to show this to you guys. We got our baby Mila. She's only 3 weeks old. A Browns onesie for the fall time. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's so cute. And it's got a Chubb on the back so she can match her daddy. He's got a Chubb jersey. Now this step is optional. I am going to sear each side to get a nice golden brown coating, just for some extra flavor, but you don't even have to do this. You can just throw them in the oven. Now place them on a foil-lined greased baking sheet. And I'm going to pour over the rest of the marinade and just spread it around a little bit for some extra flavor. Now stick these in a 400-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until 145 degrees cooked inside with a meat thermometer. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more easy recipe ideas. We'll see you next Wednesday. Bye-bye.